ride motorcycles, you've either experienced or heard about death wobble, that terrifying, uncontrollable shaking that can throw even the most experienced riders off balance. But why does it happen? And more importantly, how can you avoid it as we gear up for the 2025 riding season? Motorcycle death wobble, or tank slapper, is caused by a combination of speed, suspension issues, and rider input. It typically happens at high speeds when the front wheel starts oscillating back and forth, making the handlebars shake violently. Once it starts, it can escalate fast, often leading to crashes if the rider panics or overcorrects. With motorcycle technology advancing, you'd think this issue would be disappearing. But here's the shocking truth. Cases of high-speed wobble-related crashes have actually increased in recent years. According to a 2024 safety report, motorcycle fatalities caused by loss of control incidents, including wobble, rose by 12% compared to 2023. One major reason? More riders are modifying their bikes with aftermarket parts that throw off the factory balance. Larger front wheels, stiffened rear suspension, and improper tire pressure all contribute to instability at speed. So, what's changing in 2025? Manufacturers are stepping up their game with advanced stability control. Brands like Ducati, BMW, and Yamaha are introducing improved steering dampers and electronic assists to prevent sudden instability. Some new models even have AI-powered suspension adjustments that automatically correct minor wobbles before they get out of hand. But what about older bikes? If you're riding into the 2025 season on a classic or custom build, checking your setup is critical. Worn-out steering head bearings, unbalanced wheels, and incorrect suspension settings are some of the biggest culprits behind death wobble. Many riders don't realize that even something as simple as underinflated tires can increase the risk dramatically. And here's a question every rider should ask. How do you recover if wobble happens mid-ride? The worst thing you can do is grip the handlebars too tightly or slam the brakes. The best response is to stay loose, gradually roll off the throttle, and let the bike correct itself. If your motorcycle has a steering damper, make sure it's properly adjusted for your riding style. As we head into the 2025 riding season, awareness and preparation are everything. Whether you're cruising on a touring bike, pushing limits on a sport bike, or hitting dirt trails on an ADV, knowing how to prevent and handle death wobble could save your life. Ride smart, stay safe, and make sure your bike is dialed in for the road ahead. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more motorcycle content and let me know in the comments. Have you ever experienced death wobble? Let's talk about it and help fellow riders stay safe out there.